Hey, fantastic friends! Ready to dive into fun? It's little short time! Hey there, friends! Come close and hear. Some animal sounds are drawing near. You will hear a noise, you take a guess. Which animal is making that mess? Get ready for game that's super fun. Guess the sound before it's done. Let's start now. Whoa! That was Wolf! Whoa! Wolves howl like they are singing a big loud sound to their friends. Wolves like to live play in families called packs. That was horse. Yes, that was horse. Horses say neigh like they are saying hello in a big friendly way. Horses can run really fast, but they can also sleep standing up. Whoa! Frog! Frog! Frogs go ribbit, ribbit like they telling jokes in the pond. Frogs can breathe through their skin and their mouth. Yes, through their skin. Cow! Cow! Cows say moo like they asking for a tasty snack. Hey, do you know snack? Yeah. Do you like snack? Yeah. Cows can see almost all around them without turning their heads. Chicken! Chicken! Chickens like they chatting about what's for dinner. Chickens can remember lots of different faces. Did you know that? No? So now you know. Sheep! That was sheep! What? Wow! Sheep say ba like they want a big hug or some yummy grass maybe, yeah. Sheep never forget their friends' faces too, like chickens. Yeah. Can we try together? Say ba, 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 boo. Yeah, that was duck. I knew that. Ducks say quack, 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 like they are singing silly songs in the pond. Duck quacks. Don't echo sounds a little like magic. Interesting. Duck quacks don't echo. What? Quack, 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 quack. No echo? Okay. Now we know that. That was tiger. Yes. Did you know that? It was tiger. What a sound. Tigers roar like they are saying, I'm the king of the jungle. Hey, everyone, listen to me. I'm the king of the jungle. he roars like I'm trying, I'm trying. Yeah, can we try together? Every tiger has tribes that are special, like a secret tiger fingerprint. That was elephant! Oh, his sound is so loud! Whoa! Elephants trumpet like they are cheering with a big trumpeter horn. Elephants are super strong, but they can't jump at all. Yeah. What? They can't jump? Oh, yeah, doesn't matter. We are all different, isn't it? Yeah. That was Donkey! Donkey! Donkey say ee-oh, 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 like they are telling a funny joke. Donkeys remember places and friends for a very long time. Yeah, so for example, if you met Donkey 10 years ago, they will remember you. Yeah. That was Rooster! Yes, it was Rooster! I knew that! Roosters crow cock-a-doodle, like they are the sun's alarm clock. Roosters sleep with one eye open to watch out for trouble. So you can't be very funny with roosters. They can watch you every time. Monkey! Monkey! Yay! Monkeys chatter like they are having silly jokes with their friends. Some monkeys can use tools just like we do. For example, they can even drive or ride bicycle. Yeah, I am sure you've seen monkeys in the zoo or maybe somewhere else. Yeah. Cat! That was cat! Cat say meow, 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 like they are asking for a cuddle or a snack. Cats' ears can move all around to hear even tiny sounds. Yeah, so cats can hear very, very well. That was Goose! Geese honk like they are being noisy traffic police on the pond. Police, geese stay with their best friends forever. Yeah, so they always think about their friends. They stays with friends forever. Yeah, like you, my friends, my fantastic friends. I hope you will stay with me forever. That was pig. Pigs go oink, 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 like they are having a muddy party. Yeah. Would you like to have muddy party? Yeah. Me too. Pigs like to keep their homes very clean and tidy. Clean and tidy. Well, don't be silly, little sharky. That was bear. Bears growl like they are saying, "Stay away, this is my place, this is my forest," or something else. Yeah, bears can run really, really fast, even faster than people. So, if you see a bear, what you need to do? Run, run, run! Wow, you did a awesome job. Hooray, hooray, hooray to all of you. You are an Animal Sound Stars. I am super proud. Thank you for being so fantastic friends. Enjoying the fun? Tap subscribe and join me, Little Shark, for new creative adventures every week.